We welcome you to the Dual Enrollment program at Northeast Alabama Community College. Today I will be showing you on how to get logged into your MyNACC account. Through your MyNACC account, you will be able to view your courses, pay your tuition, or request your transcript from Northeast Alabama Community College to be sent to a different institution. Let's go ahead and get started. Go to www.nacc.edu and click on MyNACC on the right-hand side of the website. Please read this page very carefully. You must first go through the MyNACC password portal. Your username will be your Northeast email, so you would type in the first letter of your first name, your last name, followed by your 4-digit date of birth, @mail.nacc.edu, and your password will be capital N, capital A, capital C, followed by your 8-digit date of birth in this format. Please refer back to these instructions if you are feeling confused or uncertain about what your credentials should be. Once you have changed your password, you can go ahead and go into your 1ACCS account. Type in your email address and your brand new password. Once you have logged into your account, you will be able to see these tabs at the top of your page. You can view your personal information, your student account, or see your financial aid status. Let's go ahead and click on your Student tab. Here you can see your admissions application, your registration, your student profile, your student records to see your grades and your unofficial transcript, and your student account. If you want to pay for your courses, click on Student Account. Let's click on Account Summary. Here you will see the total balance for your courses. If you would like to make a payment, click on Credit Card Payment. Now you will see the Student Financial Services Agreement. If you agree to these terms, click on I agree. Please read this consent form, and if you accept this consent form, click Accept. Now you may follow through with the account payment process. If you have any trouble or questions, please contact businessoffice@nacc.edu or call extension 2234. If you would like to sign up for the payment plan, please click on Payment Plans and you will be able to enroll this way. Thank you for watching, and we wish you a very successful semester.